All right, guys, let's take this off. Washed and rinsed my hair. Just first detangling it. And I detangled before I wash. So it's pretty detangled. So I'm going in with my Miss Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into sections. That way it'll be a little easier. I'm gonna work with this side first. I love a leave-in, guys, and this makes your hair so moisturized. Get those ends really well. Ooh, okay. And then I have my Denman brush. I am still a Denman gal. I also like to add a little bit of oil to my hair, and this time I am. This is the Cocoa Nibs and Honey by Camille Rose. Y'all, I mix my products all the time. I may like an oil by Camille Rose, but I love the hold of Cream of Nature Pure Honey for twisting. But today we're gonna try this Jessie Soft Curls. I really hope it works on my hair, y'all. All right, so this is massaged in. And then what I do is just work in sections. So I'm just gonna grab, and pretty nice chunks. I don't do really small twists. I haven't done twists in my hair in a long time. Just twists, like mini twists that you would leave in. But I need to revisit that because I really do love a good mini twist. My parts are not straight, guys. It doesn't even matter, okay? All right, so we're gonna go in. I wish I had a container. This came in a container like this because it's easier to dip out. But this, I'm just gonna have to, I may place it on my countertop, just squeeze it out here so I can just grab it and twist, you know? So I think I'm gonna do that because I will use every bit of it. But let me show you the consistency right here. And I'm not gonna use a whole lot. And it probably does a really beautiful wash and go, but I just don't wanna do a wash and go today for this week. I have appointments and I need my hair really just tamed. A twist out is the way to go when you just really want your hairstyle to hold. Some people do flat twist when twisting their hair. Y'all, I just go down in sections and twist like this. This is it. And when it dries, I'm praying for a good twist out. We'll see though, guys. All right, so I just go to my next section here. And like I said, okay, this one I'll go ahead and part. Usually I just grab the hair and twist. We will see. So I'm gonna do this one in two. And I'm gonna grab some of this gel here on the countertop. It feels good. It makes my hair feel very silky. So I can see, we'll see when I take down the twist, but it definitely feels good. Hopefully it makes my hair kind of slick down, if that makes sense. Because sometimes with the creams, which I do like, the creams add volume to my hair. The gels add a more perfected twist out. So we'll see how this turns out. But I'm just gonna move along, guys. And play some music while I twist this section. Honey, this stuff takes forever to dry. If I sat under the dryer, it would take about an hour and a half maybe to completely dry, but I'm just gonna air dry today. I'm walking around the house. But I love to do these, you know, on a day where I'm not going anywhere and I can just chill, you know? I really hope this turns out, which I love Miss Jessie's products. And, you know, again, it's been years since I've used it, but I've been told that the formula did change. It feels good and it smells good. I can't even describe the smell. All right. So here are my juicy twists.